Now students, let's practice for some questions. Compare the numbers and put less than sign, greater than sign and equal to sign. Okay students, so as we have discussed the rules, first of all count the number of digits in the given number. It has 1, 2, 3 digits and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Then which number will be greater? This. Then put a less than sign. Put a less than sign, because if the number is present to the right side, then we use this less than sign. Means what can we say? 113 is less than 1330. Okay. Now come to the second question. If the number of digits are same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 means both numbers have same digit. Now what will you do? Compare from the thousand place. Thousand place is first of all put in place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now compare from the thousand place. At thousand place both are same, 1 1. Then come to the hundred place. There is 1 and there is 0. Then which number is greater? 1. Then what sign will come? Greater than. Okay. Now first of all count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Both the digits are same. Then go to the thousand place. This is a thousand place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand place. Both are same. At hundred place, 4. Both are same. Now go to tens place, 0. Both are same. 1 at ones place. Means all digits are same and equal. Then what sign will come? Equal sign. What sign will come? Equal sign. Okay student, so do these questions by yourself. Now circle the smallest number in each group. Means you have given the 4 values and you have to find the smallest number. So what will you do? The same procedure will you follow. First of all count the number of digits. All has 4 digits, as you can see. All has 4 digits, means number of digits are same. Then go to the go to the thousand place. Thousand place is 1 1 1 and this is 8. Means this is the greatest number. Leave it. Now you have 3 numbers and their thousand places are same. Then go to the hundred place. Hundred place 0 8 0 means this is greater. Leave it. Now you have 2 numbers only. You have to find the smallest one now. Now go to the tens place. At tens place 8 and this is 8. Means both are same. Then go to the ones place. At ones place 0 is here and at ones place 1 is here. Which is the smallest? This. Now circle it. This is the smallest one. So hope students you can easily find the smallest one and the biggest one. If I ask you the biggest one, this will be the biggest one and circle it. Okay student. Now do this question as a practice. Now students, our next topic is ascending order. Means as the name suggests, when the numbers are written from the smallest to the greatest. Means first smallest number will come, then at last the greatest number will come. So let's take an example to make this statement clear. Like we use simple example 8, 16, 19 or 20 here. You have given 4 numbers and I want to write in ascending order. Then what sign? First the smallest number will come. You can see the smallest number is 8. So first 8 right here. What sign will come? Less than sign. What sign will come? Less than sign. In ascending order we use the less than sign. Now next number will 16. Then use less than sign. Then 19. Then 20. So students, you can see the in ascending order we are using the less than sign. Means first the smallest number and at last the greatest number will come. So let's take one more examples of 4-digit numbers. As you can see, all have 4-digit numbers. Then what will you do? As I told you, compare from the thousand place. Thousand place 4, 5, 2 and 5. You can see 2 is the smallest one. So 2, 5, 8, 6. Now what sign will come? Less than sign. Hide it. Now again go to the thousand place, because thousand place are not same. 4 is less than 5 na, so second number will come 4, 5, 4586. Again less than sign. Now compare these two numbers. Thousand places are same. Then go to the hundred place. At hundred place 5 and there is 6. Which number is smaller? This. Then this. 5586. And now the greatest number is 5658. So students, you can see in ascending order the smallest number come first and the greatest number come to the end, and we use the less than sign like that. Do this practice question by yourself. Now student, our next topic is descending order. It is opposite to the ascending order. In ascending order we write the smallest number first and to the end we write the greatest number. But in this we write first the greatest number and at last we write the smallest number. And in ascending order we are using less than sign, and in descending order we are using greater than sign. Let's take an example. This is a simple example. Okay. In descending order greatest number will come. So 40 will come first. Then we use the greater than sign. Now 30 and next 20 will come. So student, in descending order we are using the greater than sign. Now let's take 4-digit example. As you can see, all of them has 4 digits. Then compare it from the thousand place. This at thousand place 4, 8, 1, 6. Which number is greater? This. So 8586. We use greater than sign. Now leave it. Come to other 3 points. What will be the next? Compare from the thousand place, because thousand places are not equal. 4, 1, 6. Which one is greater in them? Yes, 6658 is greater. Now leave it. Only 2 numbers are remaining. Then compare it again from the thousand place. 4 is greater now. Then 4686, and this will come to the last. 1586. So it will be the descending order. Do these questions by yourself.